for your popcorn. Step 1. Grab some butter. Put it in a cup. Step 2. Grab your favorite sauce or sauces. This and some salt. Always have salt in it. Doesn't matter how much, you just have to have some. Pour it in. It should look something like that. Step 2. Well, 3. Put it in the microwave. Close the door. Put it in 15 seconds. 15. And wait. It's off. Looks something like this. There. Grab your knife. Butter knife or something. Stir it. Put it back. Step 5. Or, sorry, 4. Step 4. Pour it on your popcorn. It might seem pretty disgusting, but it's not. It's actually very good. Step 5. Watch your movie and eat. Could you smell it? Can you smell it yet? Here you go. And you might be hearing some movie going on. Can you guess it? If you think you got it, put it down in the description, the comment section. I will put it in the description. Sorry, I've been talking a lot lately. But try and guess, then you can look at it. And I'll also probably show it in the video.
We move to the lower defenses. We'll counter-attack with the catapults.
And
Lots and lots of new houses.
sit down, relax,
Oh, that's fish legs.
eat your popcorn.
Between rough nut and tough nut. And
Screen bugging out for video, but boy.